These more complex, entangled visions of the biotech future that acknowledge and embrace our past, that acknowledge and embrace suffering, but also acknowledge and embrace technological innovations that might be coming from our generation.
All of my research was through applied learning. That was my introduction to labs that would allow sort of interdisciplinary, cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary research. I didn't know that this existed.
But really what we're trying to do here is kind of show that, bioart ideas and activity is something that you can all do, and you can do it together, and you can do it in different configurations. But I know it feels like we have so much more to talk about, and that's exactly the point.